Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be doing a passion twist tutorial for you guys, so if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please stick around. I'm gonna just do a quick haul. I got this Edge Control X and I picked up some Futurist Water Wave 8 packs. I also picked up this comb. I got Jamaican castor oil for my scalp because guys, my hair was really breaking. I also got a smooth to put on the twist after, but I'm gonna show y'all my hair and I look crazy, but please don't mind. I already detangled it and put them in sections and twists because I feel it's easier that way. I use this on my roots, this on my edges, mane and tail detangler spray to detangle my hair. Before I get started, if you are new, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more tutorials like this, and please leave a comment down below. Now guys, this is what the hair looks like. I'm going to stretch it a bit. If I don't sing, it's going to take too much time and I want to hurry up and get this done with. So guys, I'm going to start from right here, but just because I look crazy, I don't want to be looking all crazy throughout this entire video. So I will start from here, but I normally start in the back. I forgot to mention this, but the total for everything was $84 and some cents. I don't know if you guys can see, $84 and some cents. I'm just going to use some of the wax and get my hair. So when you each time you part a section, you're gonna grip it, open that section in half, and I'm gonna put some wax at the root and twine it because I don't want any loose hair. I use 2 strands for the twist. Just roll it to get that grip. Place it in between the 2 halves and you're just gonna twine it around, and the other end, and do the same. And you're just gonna twist. It's a regular twist. As you guys can see, I'm doing this on 4C natural hair and straightening my hair. Anything don't come for me in the comments. Show you how it turned out on my 4C hair. So guys, if you're unnatural, you can still achieve this look. Okay, don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Okay, and you're just going to repeat the process. Guys, I hope you're seeing this. Hope the light is not too bright. Just grip, twist, grip, stretch, twist. do my hair, my parts are never perfect. It's a lot. I filmed the take down video for you guys, but I lost almost all the footage, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be uploading that video. So as soon as I'm finished with this section right here, I'm going to go to the back. If you're a beginner and you don't know how to do your hair from the back, I'm going to show you guys how I do mine from the back. Put it in between your hair, part your hair in half, get the section that you're going to twist, part it in half, pull, like stretch the hair, then twist, like you really want to get the root, grip the root, and you're going to pull the other end and you're going to twine it together with the fake hair, and you're just going to lap it over and start twisting. By the way guys, if you are new here and you want to know more about me, you guys can go check out my get to know me video. I might link it in the description here. Sorry, my link is in the high card. Also, I did a hair tutorial on the faux locks, transforming my old box braids into faux locks, very beginner friendly. I'm also going to link that in the high card so you guys can check it out afterwards. Y'all know the struggles with 4C here. And it's tight. I think I got a better grip at the back than I did at the front. So guys, I'm gonna finish up the back, and then I'm gonna come back for the side and show you guys some more how I do the sides and the front. So I'll be back in a few.